Welcome back to Daytime Live. We are joined by Miss One Stop Computers, Miss Rose Hall Development, and Miss Curves. And they're here to play Marry, Date, or Sip. Now, the object of the game is that we put up a celebrity on the screen and you tell us if you would marry, date, and if you don't like the person, you would sip. So if you see the picture come up, you want to marry the person, say, hey, I'd marry that. If you want to just date the person, you say, hey, I'd date him. And if you don't, yes.
So if me come up with a no, say I'm married, right? I'm just putting that out there.
Let's go.
First one. First victim. We'll call them victims.
Whoa, really?
Yeah, man. Post Malone. Would you marry, date, or sit? Miss Curves, I saw you going for the class.
What happened to his face?
Yeah, what happened to his face?
All right, so Miss Curves, okay, so Miss Curves is a sip.
I don't remember his face being like that.
Neither do I.
So one of the married.
I would have dated him, can write a song about me.
Oh, okay.
I would have dated him too, but no, I'm guessing.
You're sipping. And Miss Curves, you sipped already.
Yeah, man, she sip long time.
Okay. Next up, who is Control. Y'all need water?
They might need a.
So
It doesn't matter, he still looks good now.
All right, so let's start with Miss One Stop.
Married.
Computer.
Married him.
Definitely.
All right.
Miss Rose Hall?
Date.
You
Date?
date him? Miss Curves? You date him?
Oh, wow, come Miss
You
Curves is
realize
very shady, you know,
It's
so.
her husband and they're dating him.
Next victim, who we have up next? Would you marry, date, or sip for Jamil? Miss Rose Hall Development, marry, date, or sip for this one?
You're trying to get me in trouble.
How so? You know him?
It's all fictional.
Girlfriend?
Nobody's going to believe that you really want to. Marry, date, or sip?
Date.
You date him?
All right, cool.
I'd say date.
You'd say date.
I'd date too.
You date too. 3 dates for Jamil.
All right.
Next
Next
up,
victim. Oh.
George Lopez.
Da,
See, he makes you laugh. That's my
My mother told me I should marry someone because of their personality, and he's quite funny. So
Right. So
I'd marry him.
You'll marry him for your mother.
Yes.
Okay.
Miss Curves, how this one stay for you? Marry, date, or sip?
I'd date him.
You date him. You like dates.
Look at my stick, yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Miss Rose, she want to keep it
She
between
like bad boys.
25 to 20.
No, she like bad boys. No, Jared.
Oh.
Yeah, she like him.
All right.
Who's
Who
up?
next we have? Next victim. Would you marry, date, or sip? John. How him last name pronounced? One interesting last name, so you can get the last name. I'm guessing.
Leguizamo.
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 He was better looking when he was younger, so.
Oh.
You gonna go back in time? Okay, all right.
Let me follow suit.
Oh.
3 sip him get?
All right. So nobody for John.
All right. Who's up next?
Who we have up next?
Rick Fox.
Oh.
She said Fox. Rick Fox.
He's a good looking man.
So, married, date, or sip?
He looks like my father.
Oh. All right,
Curves,
Miss
Curves.
Yeah.
I'll just,
Miss Ro. Oh. All right.
Oh, I know you
No, man,
like
we'll
sip.
pick them up, man.
Me
We'll
know
pick-
say you never sip.
We'll pick them up a long time, man.
Next
All right.
up, next
Next up.
Omar Epps.
Marry, date, or sip.
Miss Rose Hall, you can keep this out.
Date.
You dating? Miss Curves?
I'd
Your first
marry
marriage? Okay.
him.
Give her a round of applause for her first
Oh, yeah.
It's because him governor here. Miss One Stop.
I would definitely date him.
You definitely date him. You
All right.
definitely date him.
Is that definite for Omar from Miss One Stop? Yeah, man.
Oh,
Next one is Tony.
Mr. Paleface. Tony, why everybody reaching for the glass
All at
of
once.
alcohol?
1, 2, 3.
This is a joke, right?
No questions about that one. We're moving on. Next victim. Skip. Watch out. Okay. All right. Skip
I'm
Marley.
talking the ooh. I'm talking the ooh.
Skip how much?
I don't know. You care?
I mean, he doesn't
for
look
them.
old, you know.
Married, date, or sip?
Date.
Date.
All right.
Marry.
Date.
Last name catch you, Miss Rosa?
Listen, I have a very interesting last name already. I don't need nobody else.
Oh, apply water to burnt area. All right, next one we have up is next victim, Winston Rocky Road.
1, 2, 3.
A bit. What them savage?
All right, next. Let's go straight to the
Savage.
next one. Next week, straight to the other one. Straight to the other one.
Diplo, marry, date, or sip.
Them are trying to figure out where them know him from. Where know him from? Them know him from. I date where he's from.
Miss One Stop, you want to kick this one off?
He dresses well.
I don't know major laser.
No, soul on the man.
You're very nice, but no.
Okay, all right. Miss Curves, you know I go on concert.
Yeah, I mean, it's not good to date or marry people only because what they can give
Yeah,
you.
drink the one.
So-
Drink the one. Last one.
All right. Would you marry, date, or sip for Jason's?
Hurry, quick. Marry, date, sip.
Marry.
Marry?
Date.
And just like that, thank you, ladies. Remember tomorrow.